guys, running Kimono, and in today's video we are going to be making ice cream bread. What? Yes, this is actually a thing. If you have little ones in the house, I'm sure they're going to love it. Here's what you need for this recipe: 1 1/4 cup of self-rising flour, 2 cups or 1 pint of ice cream, depending what you might have, 1/4 cup of sprinkles, and 1/2 cup of chocolate chips. If you do not have the self-rising flour at your house, it is very easy to make. Do a quick search on Google and you will be in business to have your own self-rising flour. It is like super easy to make. Okay guys, so with my trusty dusty stand mixer, I'm going to put my 2 cups of ice cream and any flavor you want, and at room temperature it really starts breaking down quickly. Get all the lumps and bumps out of there. And now I'm going to add 1/2 of my self-rising flour. Not the whole amount, because I really want it to get incorporated with the ice cream to make a really beautiful batter. So a little bit here, and I have it on like a 2 or 3 setting on my stand mixer, not too fast, and I really don't want to work this too long as well. So just until it starts looking like a batter, and then I stop it. But before that, we're going to add 1/2 cup of chips and then 1/4 cup of sprinkles. Those two are optional. If you just want to do the ice cream and self-rising flour, that could be your bread. But I wanted it to have a visual element to it. That's why I added the chips and the sprinkles. I have a bread pan lined with parchment, a little bit of cooking spray to get it to rest in there. And now I'm going to put my batter at the bottom of this pan. And it takes a little bit of finesse. It is kind of more of a sticky batter, but I'm pretty sure you guys can see that visually. So just take your time and just line the bottom. The unique thing about this bread too, it smells really, really pleasant when you're baking it in the oven. And my husband ran upstairs. He's like, "Are you making a cake?" And I'm like, no, I'm making a special recipe. And I tried to explain this to him a couple times, and he still wasn't sure what I was trying to make in the oven. So anyhow, you just line it at the bottom. And then I even gave it a couple taps to get all the air bubbles and all those things out. 350 for 40 minutes, put it in the oven, and then taking it out, magic of the internet here. And I'm going to do the little knife test, but I did hit a chocolate chip, so it was a little bit of chocolate at the tip, but that looks done. It has this beautiful golden color. You have to let it cool down for probably about an hour, maybe an hour and a half. And then cutting it open, you're going to be pretty wowed how spectacular this looks, especially if you add in the sprinkles and other little goodies in there. If you have little kids and you have all these ingredients in your pantry and freezer, it's just a really cool like science project. It does taste like ice cream bread, exactly as described. If you don't like things that are really, really sweet, this is a nice change of pace, especially if you have vanilla ice cream. Obviously, if you have a more sugary ice cream, it'll take on a different taste. But this was kind of just, it tasted like, funfetti birthday cake and really pleasant. So hopefully you guys have enjoyed this video. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.